Hold my hand, don't let go. Through the dark, through the snow. Lights go out, hearts beat loud. Hope is hiding in the
Everything's going to be fine.
crowd.
Don't worry, we're gonna be all right. Just stay right here with me.
We're not alone tonight.
Keep pushing through. We're almost there.
Turbulence, fear in every face. Lights are fading, no time to pray. Oxygen falling, hearts collide, but I won't let go. We're not tonight. I'll pull you closer, hold you tight. Promise you under dying
Help.
lights if the world
We are
decides
here.
to fall.
It's okay, you're safe now. We got this. Thank you so much.
Don't let her get away! Or somehow I will find you.
This is too easy.
This is too easy. How could you be so careless? You ruined everything we worked for. You are staying in this room with her now. What is happening? Oh no.
Mommy's hair is so pretty. I'm going to sell it.
All right, here's the
What a
$50
beautiful wig. Thank you for your purchase.
Wow. I finally have money. I'm going to buy toys. This toy store is huge. Here you go.
Thank you kindly.
This
I hope you have
Kurumi
fun
is
with your
too
new toy.
realistic. I will. Let's go home. Kurumi.
Slept so well. Oh my god, where did my hair go?
We're almost
Look
home.
at all the shops, sweetie. Where do you want to go first? Honey, how could you do this?
Mommy, I'm sorry. It's all my fault.
Don't worry, baby. Look at that girl's hair. So ugly.
I'm sorry, Mom. Let's go home. Kurumi.
Slept so well. Oh my god, where did my hair go?
Faster, almost faster. home. It's just around the corner.
Honey,
Oh,
how
wow,
could you
this
do
one is
this?
incredible. Mommy, I'm sorry. It's all my fault.
Look at all these beautiful
worry, baby.
stores. Where should we
Look
go
at that girl's
first?
hair.
I
So
wanna-
ugly.
I'm sorry, Mommy.
Roomy, painting her lips.
Mommy, can I use your makeup too? No, sweetheart. You're still too little.
Spraying perfume.
This place is amazing. I love her.
Bye, dear sweetheart.
Mommy has to go. Goodbye,
Mama.
Goodbye, baby. We roomy, getting in car. Bye bye, mommy. Come home soon, okay? We roomy, heading to a school. Let me draw a pretty makeup look. This thing is so much fun. Is this the new dress mommy bought for me? We roomy,
you! Playing in the street again! Your laziness breaks my heart!
Riches beyond your wildest dreams await you, boy. A better life is within reach. Simply bring me the lamp from that hidden cavern. You must not touch anything except the lamp. Give me the lamp, girl. I don't have all day.
No! Pull me out first, Uncle!
You have awakened the Djinn of the lamp. 3 wishes are yours to command, Master.
Genie, take me home!
You are indeed a magnificent prince. I gladly agree to this marriage. You have my blessing. The lamp is finally mine.
It's the sorcerer!
What have I done? What fools you are! With this lamp, the power is finally mine!
Through shadow and flame, by the power within this stone, I command thee, open the path! Return the palace and the prince to their rightful place in Arabia. And Genie, I set you free!
I am free! I am finally free!